Hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how you can get unbanned on the Spike volleyball movie game here. So what you need to do to get unbanned is um first you gotta contact support. So if you are banned in the game, you gotta contact support on what you can do into getting unbanned into the game. So you will know what problems you caused or what was the reason of your ban and if you can appeal it. Number two, you gotta check the terms and agreements. You gotta check if what you can do to get unbanned or what did you sign up or agree with when you made your account. And number three, consider in making a new account. If you can't really get unbanned, I think the best thing you can do is just make another account and use that to start over in this game. So yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that helped, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.